Hello friends, today in this video we will learn and write how to make sentences. So let's start. First, car. I go to Delhi by car. Second, cricket. Cricket is an outdoor game. Third, Rahul. Rahul is my neighbor. Fourth, student. Seema is a brilliant student. Fifth, doctor. He wants to be a doctor. Sixth, light. Diwali is the festival of light. Seventh, jump. She jumps on the roof. Eighth, play. We do not play cricket every day. Ninth, pink. My favorite color is pink. 10th, Doraemon. Doraemon is a blue robot cat. Thanks for watching.